See, good evening. We can start with the work. Today we are going to see attractive stationery pouch, how we can do like that we can see, okay? For that, the materials required, I'll show you. Like any canvas material, this is normal collar canvas, okay? This is the material we are going to use. It comes as a sheet, like whichever size you want, you can take it. It's something like white collar canvas I have taken. Okay. Other than this, if you want, you can use even the canvas of Fevicryl. Fine art Fevicryl thing, you can get a canvas. Okay. You can use that, or you can use something like even extra sheets and all can be used if you want to do it in best out of waste in that manner. If you want, you can apply this idea in that. Okay. The other things which are required is today I'm going to use the ribbon, like satin ribbon, this color I'm going to use. And other than that, we need glass colors. We need glass colors and outliner. I'm going to use gold outliner, 3D outliner. And then fabric colors. Fabric paints, no, like fabric paints, whichever color you want, you can take and use it. Okay. These paints we are going to use. And later, for sticking, we'll be using, you can use either Fevicol MR or you can use fabric glue or anything, which you, fabric glue, it is best, okay? You can stick it with that, or Fevicol A+ can be used, okay? Then these are the main materials we need. Other than that, rough cloth and brushes, all those things we need. Brushes, it can be flat brush or something like that, because we are going to use it for coloring this canvas, okay? And water and bowl, other those things and all, it will be with you. You can have those things and you can do it. Now we can go for the work, okay? I'll focus the thing. You just see the things, how I'm having. See, actually, we need to take a long sheet like this. One folding should be done at the bottom. Okay, this is going to act as a pouch. For one of the things, this is going to act as a pouch. And other piece at the top, like how many ever you want, you can place it accordingly. The backside length should be more. Okay, if you want, you can have 3 pouches also here. Like this. Why you need to take a cutting like this, like whichever size you want, you just decide and take the thing. And the last folding, it can act as a pouch. Okay, this acts as a pouch. And one more piece I have taken, like 2 pouches I am going to make it. Okay, the other one, this top part here, I'm going to have some wordings or anything, any decorations can be done over this place. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to leave the things and take it out. Okay, for first thing, what we are going to do is we are going to paste this portion. This part and this part should be pasted with the glue. I'm taking fabric glue. Just sides, it's very simple, easy craft. Even children can do it very nicely. If you want, you can have here cuttings in different way. But if I go for that, no, like I'll not be able to finish the thing. You can have your innovativity, okay? This portion, just folding, I'm going to make a, just paste it, okay? You can either have fabric glue or Fevicol A+ can be used. Just apply a little, okay? So that it sticks nicely. I think it is visible for everyone. Like I have applied here, okay? Just fold it like this so that it sticks nicely. Corners, I am not going to do anything, just rough cutting I have made here. This part, just rough cutting only I have made. Now it is going to be like this. Later we will decorate it. Okay. During that time it will become normal. It will become very attractive too. Okay. Then one more piece you need to take, and that should be placed here. Okay. This part we are going to place it here. For this, you need to apply glue on 3 sides. Any doubts you can ask me, ma. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you. See,
Okay,
just
ma'am.
apply it for 3 directions. You need to apply the glue and just paste it. Okay, it is something very easy only. Since because we are going to use glass colors and fabric colors, no, it is better to stick and make it ready with the other sticking parts and all. Here I'm going to use that, turn it to back, okay? Turn it to back, and this corners, this corner and this corner, since we may not know, like we may put lots of stationery items or anything like accessories. If you want also, you can store in this. Like for girls, how much ever place is there also for accessories, it should be easy for us to take it out and wear it, isn't it? So that if we have some pouches like this, it will be easy in our makeup area. Okay, so this can be hung there in the door or something like that. So to hold so many things in a proper way, it is better to use a long satin ribbon. Satin ribbon only, it is going to hold everything. Okay, from the corner of this part till the top part, you need to paste it. Okay, same way like this side, the other side also, you are going to bring the satin ribbon and paste it here. Just bring the satin ribbon like this and paste it, so that you'll be having a hanging like this. However, how much ever long also, if you want, you can have it. Okay, if you want a decorative ribbon also, you can very well use it. A satin ribbon I have taken because it will stick nicely to the canvas. Apply enough amount of fabric glue. Just paste it here. You should not paste it from the top portion, okay? It may not hold properly. So you apply the glue nicely, make it stick evenly without any wrinkles. It should be stuck. Same way, other side also you do it. See that you stick it in the right direction. That is, in the shining portion should come up. Okay, like we should stick in the shining portion of the satin ribbon. Only then, while hanging, no, it will be correct. And the shining portion will come up. Other side also, you apply glue nicely. 2 or 3 lines even you can make it, so that it sticks nicely. Once you stick, you just don't disturb that. Okay, stick it in such a way that it is not disturbed. See, for the front part, the decoration, I'm going to use such laces. Okay, we can use such laces, or if you want the satin ribbon itself, you can use. When we use satin ribbon, it is going to be very simple. And if we use such things like this, or in dress and all, we'll be keeping laces, no, even that can be used. Something like this and all, if you have decorative ribbons or something like this, even these types of ribbons, even it can be used. Just cut the portion. Okay, see that both the side it is stuck nicely and no wrinkles are there. It is very simple craft. You can very well do it nicely in a decorative manner. It can be done. If you have any extra endings, no, you just trim that. While cutting, if you are not cut properly, or if any folding is there, you can just trim that and take it off, so that the sides are proper. That's why ribbon I have pasted little bit inside. Okay, I've left little gap here and then I have pasted it inside. Same way the other side also you do it. Trim the corners. because this is collar canvas, no, like it will some threads will be coming out now and then. Just to avoid that and to have a neat look, you can just trim the corners alone. We have used fabric glue so it sticks nicely. Okay, yeah, this portion we have completed. The coloring part, it is totally your choice. Okay, first we are going to do the coloring everything, and then later we'll be using this decorative ribbon or lace or whatever thing you have, we can use it on this. Okay, you can make very simple way, we can make a grand attractive pouch. Okay, colors of it is of your choice. Okay, I'm going to take lemon yellow for one area, the other part I'm going to use green. Okay, I want the color to be given very lightly, because otherwise you can have three different coloring. Like it can be like in one of my pouches, I have made it like day and night effect. In one part, I have given the day effect painting of a scenery, and the other thing I have made a night scenery. Okay. Yeah, if you don't want to go for such detailed sceneries and all, what I'm going to do is it's going to be very simple, very attractive. Okay, here I'm going to give yellow, and this part if you can make it with orange or something, and the yellow goes very well with green also, so green I'm going to do it here. And on this we'll be doing with glass colors. Okay, apply acrylic colors very lightly only. Okay, it is a nice canvas thing, like it doesn't absorb too much of paint and all. You can touch little water and you can start painting it till the flow becomes even. No, you can do it nicely. Okay, see that the application of the color is not too much, very lightly. If you do even enough. On this we'll be doing with the glass colors. Okay, this first part, this pouch alone, I'm going to start. Initially I'm taken yellow because the darker colors we can do it later after applying yellow. Okay, you can even draw some sceneries or something like that. Next week we'll be seeing about so many other items. Okay, if you are keeping in touch, you can very well learn the simple easy crafts and you can really master the crafts. Okay, touch little water and then you can apply. Now while applying, no, like you will be the canvas will be wet only, so it will be little bit not stiff. Okay, after the color dries it will become stiff. That's why I have pasted it earlier itself, because when it is so much flexible, we'll not be able to handle it properly. Okay, yeah, now yellow color I've given for this first pouch alone. I have given this yellow. Okay, yellow base I have given, very easy thing. And now I'm going for the next color. I'll take neon green and neon orange. Okay, I'm really fond of these neon colors because it is actually attractive, and it is suitable for all types of materials. Okay, it looks little bit bright also. Okay, for this portion alone I'm giving with orange. One side I'm going to make it with green. Okay, It is not that you need to give only the same color. You can just try with some other colors too. Touch more water and apply. The application should be very light. Only then the glass colors what we are going to apply on this will be good. Otherwise, the color what we are giving at the bottom, it will reflect on the glass colors. The glass colors, it is something very transparent colors, okay? So there will be some effect on the color. This is the boundary area where I am going to give orange. Very light color application I am giving. Touch more water and do it. While applying, it will be flexible only, like see that so much of strokes are not seen while applying the color. Very lightly do it, okay? Use flat brush and do it very lightly.
Ma'am, the center of the neon color, we have to leave some white space, ma'am.
No, nothing like that. I'm not given any space like that. I'm just applying it now only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It is because like I want to show you the boundary. I've done it like that. Till the area
Okay,
like which I'm going to apply, I just want you to understand. Yeah, the application is over. Next, we can go for the top area with green, okay? It is not mandatory that you have to use only these colors. It is totally to your wish, even light blue, light orange, light pink, all those things also, it will be very nice. But whatever color you are choosing, no, it should be lighter in shade. I'm sorry, I'll use green, okay? You can even use pink or something like that. Or if you are going to have some scenery background also, you can very well have it. Normal scenery painting you can do. Even the silhouette effect can be done on this. I'm using green, okay? The application of the color of this color should be done little bit inside to this, okay? So that it doesn't look odd. So till inside this also you need to do it, not inside too much and all, like where it will be visible, that portion alone. Yeah, this is my boundary where I am giving the green color, neon green I am spreading. Just apply it with more amount of water. The color application should be very smooth, okay? Anything like mosaic designs or any spiral designs, anything can be done on this. If you want, you can use very lightly with pencil, you can make the marking where you are going to draw. If you want, you can do some cartoon figures or anything like that. Yeah, application of green is completed. Yeah, I've completed this. Okay. Now it is visible, isn't that? Like all the three colors I have given. Now on yellow part, it is dried actually. This part I'm going to continue with the 3D outliner. You can do your own choice of designs. Okay. This end portion alone, no, 1 centimeter in the other two sides 1 centimeter, you just don't do anything because there we'll be pasting the lace. Okay, other than that, inside and all, you can just do whatever thing you want to do. Okay, I'm just going to make a mosaic design here with multi-colors. You can do the something like Benson rings. I am making it. It can be that same design, or you can have some other design. Uneven patterns, I am making it. Very simple only. We need not have any good knowledge of freehand drawing or something like that. This portion also 1/2 inch, don't do anything. This top portion here and here, just don't do anything. This is going to be something very colorful. Okay. Can you all see the design what I have made? Triangles, squares, or pentagon or hexagon, whichever shape it comes to, you know, like you make it with little gap over this place. So in that place, the acrylic color will be visible. If you want one patch here and the other patch here, you can make, and here you can have some writings or something like that. I'm giving you enough ideas. Okay. If you want, you can use pencil and do the marking. Okay. It can be very simple designs like this. Mosaic design, it is something very easy. Irregular shapes I am drawing. Something everyone can do it. While applying the 3D outliner, it is very whitish in color. Okay. But after drying, it will become normal, like gold it will be. If you want any heartened designs or something like that, even that you can try. See, 2 patches I have made it. Inside we can have some other thing. Okay. Now and then wipe the nozzle, and if the flow is not proper, just dab it with the cap closed over like this. Have it upside down and just dab it like this so that the flow is even. This portion, I'm going to show you some spirals. Okay, spiral design, something like this I have drawn. For each spiral design, you can have 1 or 2 colors spread over it. See, this 3D outliner, no, it acts as a boundary for the glass colors. So it should be given in such a way that it is thick enough and it should hold the color inside. And thing what after finishing now, you can see the elegancy nicely. Okay, it will be very attractive. Easy thing only. I'm just doing it. Same way, the other side also I'm going to do. Or here and there you can have some shapes like cottons or some other shapes like diamond or anything can be done. For return gifts and all, no, this will act really good. Very simple, inexpensive. For friends and all, if any birthday or something is there, you can very well give them with some writings over this place. It will act as a greeting card too. Family or friends, whomever you want, you can just give them. Handmade thing will have special remembrance of us. Okay. If you want, you can make some cottons or diamond or anything like that. If any initials has to be made, even that you can do it. I'm sorry, the liner is not coming out properly. Yeah, okay. Now this portion I have completed with this. Okay. The top part, you can have anything like zigzag lines or diagonal lines, anything like that, so that you can have multicolors over that place. See, just zigzag lines only I've made, okay? I'm sorry, very sorry. It is not coming out well. The other thing, I can't take it now. Yes. Yes. See this boundary part, you can just wait, 1 second. I'm just doing it like zigzag lines. Actually, the other portion will be covering with the attractive tapes, okay, like lasers or whatever you have. With that, we can do it. This is something very simple. It need not be very perfect and all, okay. This itself will make it really colorful and very good. See, outline, everything is completed. Outline is completed now. Then we are going for the coloring part. Coloring part, liquid colors, glass colors, you know very well about that. I'm taking pink. From top portion, I'm going to just show you how to do it, okay. Actually, after doing this outline and all, it has to dry nicely. Only then you need to give the colors. But now I have to do it, so I'm doing it on this, okay. Clear the nozzle now and then do the coloring. This portion, I'm just applying pink color, okay. This being the liquid color and the 3D outliner, it acts as a boundary for this liner work. On this, if you want, you can paste some tickies or any. You see that these bubbles are not seen, okay. Immediately, I can't raise and show you also these things. The other part here I'm going to do. Apply it in such a way that you don't get any bubbles. If you get bubbles, you just prick it with your hand or use pin and prick it, okay? If you want, you can use double color also, or multicolors can be done in each part separately. While pressing the color, no, see that in the center of that place you press it, not on the boundary. It may splash to the other area where we don't want to give that color, okay? We should be very careful in those things. Only then we'll have a... I've chosen pink just because green and pink, it goes very well, okay? It is not that in all the places you need to give the glass color also. It is your choice only. If you want, you can give, or you can have in certain places with acrylic color alone, or other places you can have the decorations alone with glass colors. See these bubbles and all, just by touching itself, you will just make it vanish, okay? Just by rubbing your hand in the cloth, it will be okay. Now I have completed with the pink color. The other color which I am going to use on that is something like ultramarine blue. No, I am not going to color fully. It is going to be a simple dots over it. That itself will make it nice and good. In this area, just I'm going to make some little dots over that. With ultramarine, I'm doing it, okay? The other portion also I'm going to do like that. Yes, this is what I want. I have done it. See, on yellow, I'm going to use green color, okay? Not that in all the shapes I'm going to use this green. Only few of the places I'll be using green color, okay? Yellow and green also, it goes very well. See that you are doing it very neatly. It is a liquid color. So application should be taken care. Here and there I'm giving the green color, okay? If you want, you can give red over this, near to this portion, not over this green itself. Other area nearby, you can have little bit of any color can be given, like even orange goes good with this part. Pink, blue, any color can be given. Have 2 or 3 color choice and do according to that. Even brown will be good. Children can also do it very easily. These things attractively they can do, and they can gift it to their friends. I have given you enough number of choices also, like on which it can be done. You can use any canvas, or thick sheets can be used. Like even X-ray sheets, no, on that you can do it. But on X-ray sheets, since because it is black in color, no, these colors may not be visible. In those things, you can use acrylic colors, or you can use even stickers. Make stickers and just paste it over that. This being very simple craft, I want everyone to do one and present it, okay? This is going to act as a important thing in your work area, okay? Randomly I have given green color, okay? And for this part also, by mistake, I have just touched this with a cloth or something like that. It has been damaged, but no problem. I'm doing it on this. To avoid such things only, I have told you, like you do it after the outliner dries, okay? That is the correct procedure too. Since because now I have taken green color, no, to both the places, I wherever I want green, I'm giving it and I'm finishing it. Orange and green also, it goes very well. I'll post you the photo later, okay? If you want to give two colors also, you can go for that. Like two colors should be chosen in such a way that it is good, okay? I'm taking orange. This part I'm going to give it with orange, okay? Few places I'm going to give it with orange. Orange also, it acts very nicely with yellow, and you'll have a highlight. See here, we have got so much of bubbles. Just by touching, it will go off. Touch that. It is something friendly colors only. Nothing is going to happen. Okay, here and there I'm giving it with orange. Clear the nozzle part now and then. See that nearby, you don't give that same color. If you want, you can give with some other color. It's easy, isn't it? Such an attractive thing. Now it is not bright, okay? When the color dries and the outliner dries, it will be very attractive. Yeah, here also I'm got my any doubt. If anyone have doubt, no, you can just ask me. Or even if you WhatsApp me, I'll be able to help you. One or two orange spirals also I'm making. And then orange, the blue also, that ultramarine blue also goes well. For few of the things, I'm going to give that. I'm struggling to give the color just because my outliner is not dried, okay? You people when do it nicely when it is dry. Few of them are very perfect in doing the craft and sending me the images, but others also do follow that. Randomly, I'm choosing the spirals and I'm giving. You need not apply too much of color also. Very lightly if you apply also, it will spread nicely. Actually, don't pour the colors, okay? Very lightly when you spread the colors itself, it is enough. For the hortons, I'm going to give red color. Few portions in the top also I'll be giving it with red, the mosaic design. Here also I'm giving red color, okay? While you are doing, see that you keep it on a newspaper or anything and then do it, okay? Sometimes the color may ooze out, or it will be extra colors now, it will be absorbed by the newspaper what we have kept at the bottom. On this, if you want, you can paste any tickies or anything like that. Beads or stones or any keys, anything can be done to make it attractive. After the color dries, no, inside if it has pasted, you just lift it and do the thing, okay? It may get pasted at the bottom just because the outliner is also having glue on this glass color is also liquid color. It may get stuck in the inner part. So see that you are pulling it out and taking it out. Just by putting circles, even circles or any shapes, you can just fill the colors. That also it will be good. Easy and elegant way we can make it. Yes, I've completed with red color. The other portion I'm going to do it with blue, okay? The rest of the things, even black can be used, but I don't want to use that.
கண்ணா அந்த அடுப்புல தண்ணி கொதிச்சு வச்சா பார்த்துட்டு அடுப்பு ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கூட சொல்றேன்.
Just mute yourself now, everyone. I'm using sea blue, okay? Every time it is better to start it from the center of the place where you want to give that color more than going for the boundary of that place where we need to give that color. That is because sometimes it may splash, okay? If two colors you want also, you can just apply on this. With lighter and darker shades can be done. The places where I am not given any color, we can use brown color, okay? Here and there, like too much of brown is also, it may not be good. But here and there, if we use, it will be nice. It will make it attractive. See this portion I'm giving blue and I'm just trying to complete this. I'll show you with the pasting of the decorative ribbon. Ribbon or lace or anything can be done. Here in the mosaic design, few of the things. I'm going to give brown, okay? Brown or black or ultramarine, anything can be chosen. Pick the nozzle so that if anything is, the paint is clogged, the flow of the paint will be good after that. Use only a rough cloth and have it in your left hand and then use it, okay? Very lightly press the thing. Slightly if you apply itself, it's enough. Don't apply too much of color and all. It is not required actually. See, the few places I have added brown, okay? On this, if we want to make it little more attractive, you can use any stones or beads or anything like that and you can just stick it to this place. Or jamikis can be placed. Whichever you want, you can use it. See, something like this if you want, I am just placing it over this itself because when it is wet itself, we can just place it. It will act as a glue and it will stick nicely, okay? One silver ticky like thing I have pasted there. How many hour you want also you can paste it, but see that the things what we are using, it is not heavy. Because so many accessory items or anything, if we want to put inside that, then it will be a problem. So accordingly, you have to choose the thing in such a way that it is weightless. See, we have pasted this part here. And in this also, if we want, we can paste few of the places alone. You can just keep any stickers or chamikis or anything like that can be used. Randomly here and there, I'm going to keep a stickies, okay? Not on all the places, just here and there I'm going to keep. Like 2 or 3 is enough, more than enough. Only then it will look good. Now only it is started looking like gold, isn't it? On this part, I think it is better. I leave it here. Okay, that's all. I'm going to leave this portion. Here, if you want, you can paste few more chamikis or stickers or anything can be done. I'm going to use the same thing because it will be uniform all through, okay? This purple, it will be bright over this place. This can be kept in such a way that apply too much of some bigger dot of (3D) outliner I have applied. One bigger dot I have applied. Just place it over this. Don't do anything. Take a brush or any pencil or anything. Press it in the middle so that it will act as a boundary in the outer side. Okay, can you see the boundary? Neat boundary has come. You can use it like that. This also I'll show you. Here we have used so many colors now, so make it subtle now, like I'm using this silver color itself. See, it will act as a gold boundary. When you can place it properly like this, you do it. Otherwise, don't use this method, okay? Little more of 3D outliner has to be placed, and then keep the thing very lightly over it without disturbing. And then in the center of the thing, you just press it like this so that it gives a neat boundary. So we need not use any glue. So we have stuck that, okay? For this also, we didn't use any glue because when the color is wet itself, we have placed it like this. So it is going to act as a glue. And this part, 3D outliner we have used, and we have stuck the thing, okay? The top part here also, I'm going to stick 2 of the things alone. Very lightly place the tickies or any beads or anything. Just place it. Stones like kundan stones, anything can be used. Just place it nicely. So gold and silver also, it looks good. Here everything it is colorful, okay? So these things, it will act as something highlight only. So we have completed with this. Now I am going to decorate it with the corner things. These things should be hidden, isn't it? That part here, you need to place it like this. Okay, just by applying little glue, it will be over. If the connection goes off, don't worry, you can join again with the same link, okay? See, top part of this pouch, this part, okay, this part, I've applied a line of glue and just place it over this. So we have made an interesting thing, like from this part to this part, you just cut the required bit. If you want, you can, earlier itself, you can cut and keep these things and you can do it. After the thing dries, even do it properly, okay? We not do like me, like in a hurry burry, okay? Do it in such a way that it doesn't disturb, you don't disturb the work done in that. This other pouch also, we are going to do that same thing. See this part, which will be lifting, no, that part, you keep it like this. And little bit of this lace should overlap this. Okay, only then it will look good. See this portion totally, I'm going to keep it like this. So this white portion is not going to be visible, then it will be good. And cut this part, which is not required, you just cut it. So 2 places we have done that same way, this top part and the bottom, if you want, you can do it. Top part we can do it, only then it will look attractive. In top part, if you want, you can have some zigzag things also like that. Same way, sides we are going to do. All the 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and 4 places, we need that same size of lace or decorative ribbon or anything, stones or anything can be done, which will mask that area. That's why till here I have not drawn any design. Just I'm leaving little gap. I think it is visible for everyone, isn't it? Yes. This portion, I'm just pasting it like this, okay? Little I've left it down so that it doesn't look odd. Later, 2 sides also we can just paste this side and this side also you can just paste this. Okay. Apply glue on the sides. Let it overlap all the things like this. so that the holding will be good. Yes. On this, we are going to paste like this. Let it extend little more than the cloth what we have used. These lightweight things, it will stick just with the glue itself. Okay. Now our thing is ready. I can't lift and show. This is the thing. Okay. Same way the other side also I'll be doing it. Okay. Can you all see this? I can't lift and show you, ma. Any doubts you can ask me. Is it nice? Attractive? Colorful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me. Really?